Cracking the Instagram Code. Algorithm Insights for 2024. Instagram can feel like a mysterious maze sometimes. You post and post, but it's like your content disappears into the void. The key to unlocking growth on Instagram is understanding its algorithm. Think of the algorithm as a matchmaking system. It wants to connect people with the content they'll love most. In 2024, Instagram continues to prioritize engagement. This means comments, likes, shares, and saves are your golden tickets. The more engagement your posts receive, the more the algorithm sees them as valuable and shows them to a wider audience. But it's not just about vanity metrics. Instagram wants to see genuine interaction. Respond to comments, engage with other users' content, and foster a sense of community around your brand. Remember, the algorithm is constantly evolving. Stay updated on the latest changes and best practices to keep your content visible and engaging. Sharing is caring. Amplifying your reach on Instagram. Want to go viral? Focus on shareability. Shares are like little rockets, boosting your content to new heights. When someone shares your post, it's like a personal recommendation to their entire network. So, how do you create content people can't wait to share? First, make it visually appealing. Eye-catching photos, videos, and graphics are more likely to stop thumbs in their tracks. Second, evoke emotion. Whether it's laughter, inspiration, or a heartwarming story, content that resonates emotionally is more likely to be shared. Think about what your target audience would find valuable and interesting. Would they share this with their friends? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. Remember, every share is an opportunity for your content to reach new people and grow your following organically. So, make it easy for your audience to spread the love. Debunking the myths. Shadow bans and the real impact of edits. Let's clear the air about some common Instagram myths. Shadow banning is like the boogeyman of Instagram. Instagram can restrict accounts, but shadow bans are often overblown. Drops in engagement are usually due to algorithm changes or content quality. Focus on high-quality, engaging content. Editing captions after posting won't hurt your reach. Instagram values overall quality and engagement. Don't let myths distract you from your Instagram goals. Evergreen content. Building a timeless Instagram presence. In the fast-paced world of social media, it's easy to get caught up in the latest trends. But here's a secret. Evergreen content is your secret weapon for long-term growth. What is evergreen content? It's content that remains relevant and valuable over time. Think educational posts, how-to guides, inspiring quotes, or behind-the-scenes looks at your brand. This type of content provides value to your audience long after it's posted, continuing to attract new followers and engagement over time. When creating evergreen content, focus on topics that are always in demand within your niche. For example, if you're a fitness influencer, evergreen content could include workout routines, healthy recipes, or motivational tips. Remember, building a strong foundation of evergreen content ensures that your Instagram presence remains relevant and engaging, even as trends come and go. Section 5. Feature Frenzy. Leveraging Reels, carousels, and more. Instagram is constantly rolling out new features, and using them strategically can significantly boost your reach. Reels, Instagram's answer to TikTok, are a powerful tool for reaching new audiences. Short, attention-grabbing videos are all the rage. So jump on the bandwagon and create engaging reels that showcase your brand's personality. Carousels are another great way to pack more punch into a single post. Use them to share multiple photos or videos, tell a story, or provide a step-by-step guide. The key is to make each slide engaging enough to keep users swiping. Don't forget about Instagram's newest tools. Whether it's interactive stickers, live Q&A sessions, or collaborative posts, experimenting with new features keeps your content fresh and exciting for your audience. Remember, staying up to date on the latest features and using them creatively can help you stand out from the crowd and capture the attention of your target audience. Section 6. Hashtag Mastery. Navigating the evolving landscape. Hashtags are like signposts that help people discover your content, but not all hashtags are created equal. Using the right hashtags can significantly expand your reach and connect you with your target audience. Start by researching relevant hashtags in your niche. Look for a mix of popular hashtags with high search volume and more niche hashtags with a smaller but more engaged community. Aim for a combination of 5 to 15 hashtags per post. Avoid using overly generic or irrelevant hashtags just to chase likes. Instead, focus on using hashtags that accurately reflect your content and target audience. Remember, hashtags are constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay updated on the latest trends and best practices to maximize your reach. Section 7. Experiment and evolve. Staying ahead of the curve. The beauty of Instagram is that there's no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one account might not work for another. The key is to embrace experimentation and find what resonates best with your audience. Don't be afraid to try new things, whether it's a different posting schedule, a new content format, or a fresh visual style. Pay attention to your analytics and see what's working and what's not. The Instagram algorithm rewards consistency, so find a posting schedule that works for you and stick to it. But don't be afraid to mix things up from time to time to keep your content fresh and engaging. Remember, the key to long-term success on Instagram is to continuously learn, adapt, and evolve your strategy based on your audience's feedback and the ever-changing social media landscape. Section 8. Bringing it all together. Your recipe for Instagram success. Growing on Instagram from 0 followers requires a combination of strategy, creativity, and consistency. By understanding the algorithm, focusing on shareable content, and leveraging the platform's features, you can set yourself up for success. Remember to engage with your audience, experiment with different approaches, and stay true to your brand's voice and values. Building a thriving Instagram community takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Focus on creating valuable, engaging content that resonates with your target audience and watch your following grow organically. Remember, the journey of 1,000 followers begins with a single post. So, take action, stay consistent, and watch your Instagram presence flourish. Section 9. Join the conversation. Let's keep growing together. The world of Instagram is constantly evolving, and we can all learn from each other. What are your biggest challenges when it comes to growing on Instagram? What strategies have you found most effective? Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn, grow, and inspire each other to achieve Instagram success. Remember, we're all in this together. By sharing our knowledge and experiences, we can help each other navigate the ever-changing world of Instagram and build thriving online communities.